prevent movers from calling out last minute? What it really comes down to is risk versus reward. A mover is going to call out mainly because it's just not worth it to them in their eyes and brain to come into work that day. And so they see a few things. When they call out, they realize that they're not going to get let go or fired because they didn't come to work. They realize that they could get a better job somewhere else in the local community. And then they're really just, there's not enough benefit for them coming in. They don't feel excited about coming into your place of work. And so the risk reward is really what the decision-making process is happening inside of that employee's brain. And so those are the things you need to really address is, are you an amazing place to work? Do you have a tight expectation and standards in your company? And do you follow through on those policies? And so if you tighten those things up, you end up getting less call-outs.